Hey, this is Jim. Today we are unboxing some quail eggs from Zach at My Shire Farms. I'll leave the link in the comments, but let's get to it. Okay, so the box is in great shape. It's got fragile written all over it. It's got, came in a, actually came fairly quickly. I think I got it in a couple days. It's just my packing slip. These are sex links, so we'll be able to tell whether they're male or female immediately. So we got a box inside of a box. They're packed very well. And we're packed even better than that. I don't know if you can see that. We have all these little... Here, help me out. Okay, so we finally got the eggs out of the box. They were packed in there so well. We're going to go ahead and read over our instructions. And we're going to make sure that all our quail eggs are pointy side down. We're going to leave the bloom on them, and we'll see you in about 24 hours when we put them in the incubator.